you ever wondered what makes the female brain unique? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of neuroscience to explore how the female brain works. From emotional intelligence to multitasking abilities, the female brain has been the subject of much research and curiosity. In this video, we'll break down the science, debunk some myths, and highlight what truly sets the female brain apart. Let's start our journey by understanding the basic structure and function of the brain, and how subtle differences can shape the way women think, feel, and interact with the world. Human brain is made up of billions of neurons, and while male and female brains share the same basic anatomy, research shows there are some differences in size, structure, and connectivity. For example, studies suggest that certain areas related to language and emotion processing are often larger or more active in female brains. These differences don't mean one brain is better than the other, they simply reflect the diversity of human experience. Let's look closer at these structural variations and what they might mean for everyday life. One of the most discussed aspects of the female brain is emotional intelligence. Research suggests that women, on average, tend to excel at recognizing emotions in themselves and others. This heightened emotional awareness is linked to both biology and socialization. Brain imaging studies show that women often use both hemispheres when processing emotions, which may contribute to greater empathy and communication skills. This doesn't mean men lack these abilities, but it highlights a fascinating trend seen across many studies. You've probably heard that women are better at multitasking. While the science is still evolving, some studies suggest that female brains have more connections between the left and right hemispheres. This could make it easier to switch between tasks and process information from different sources simultaneously. However, multitasking is complex and can be influenced by many factors, including environment and upbringing. Still, these brain connectivity patterns offer a glimpse into why some women seem to juggle multiple responsibilities with ease. Hormones play a significant role in shaping how the female brain works. Estrogen and progesterone, for example, influence mood, memory, and even cognitive performance. These hormonal shifts can affect brain chemistry throughout a woman's life, from puberty to menopause. Understanding these changes helps explain why women may experience mood swings or changes in focus at different times. It's a reminder that the brain is not just a static organ, but one that's constantly adapting to internal and external influences. Another fascinating aspect of the female brain is its relationship with language. Studies have found that women often use more words per day and may process language in both hemispheres of the brain. This could contribute to stronger verbal skills and a greater ability to express emotions. These differences are not absolute, but they do highlight how brain structure and function can influence communication style. Whether it's storytelling, negotiation, or simply chatting with friends, language is a powerful tool in the female brain's toolkit. Memory is another area where the female brain often shines. Research suggests that women may excel at certain types of memory, such as recalling words, faces, and emotional experiences. These could be linked to both brain structure and hormonal influences. Learning styles can also differ, with some studies indicating that women may prefer collaborative or verbal learning environments. These strengths help women navigate complex social situations and build strong relationships throughout life. It's important to remember that while there are trends, every brain is unique. Many myths about the female brain have been debunked by modern science. For example, intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving abilities are not determined by gender. Instead, they are shaped by a complex mix of genetics, environment, and personal experience. By understanding the real science, we can appreciate the strengths of all brains and move beyond outdated stereotypes. In the end, the female brain is a marvel of nature, adaptable, resilient, and endlessly fascinating. By celebrating the diversity of how brains work, we can foster greater understanding and respect for everyone. Whether it's emotional intelligence, multitasking, or communication, these traits are just a few pieces of a much larger puzzle. Let's continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the incredible complexity of the human mind in all its forms.